You never know when you might need proof of your driving. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, are doing a quick review of this dash cam. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. In the box, you're going to get the dash cam, the backup camera, all the cables, and everything you need to install this as clearly seen here. Installation for this was actually really easy. First, we installed the front camera using the 3M sticky tape that it comes with. Then we installed the rear camera. We wired everything and we were good to test this out. You can see here that the camera has a screen on it and shows you what you're going to see. And if you go in reverse, you can also see that pops up on there as well. Now, as you're driving, this is going to turn into just a speedometer and a time, so it's not always going to have that screen showing. There is also an app that you can install for this, and it lets you access a few more features and allows you to watch clips that record onto the SD card. This has a few options for video quality, including 4K, 2K, and 1080. What you are seeing here is footage straight from the camera. It's actually a really good quality with nice, clear images. You will notice that the camera footage on the front of the camera has a timestamp, a GPS location, it has the date on it, and it shows your speed. So if you do get into an accident, you have so much information to prove it wasn't your fault, or prove the speed you were actually going, or even where you were. The inside dash camera does have a touchscreen, so you can easily navigate everything on the camera. The camera has a continuous recording mode, which means no matter what the SD card size is, once it is full, it's just going to start to record over the footage. But there is a lock button that you can easily press either in the app or right on the camera itself. And what that is going to do is lock that file from being overwritten. The files are 1 minute long clips, so if you hit lock, it's going to lock the file, and then you can hit it again, it'll lock the next file, and then those won't get overwritten as you continue to drive. There is also voice control of this, so you can say take a photo or lock the video instead of actually having to touch the screen, which makes it hands-free. The rear camera records all the time, not only when you go in reverse. Now, when you do go into reverse, like I said, it does pop up on the front screen, but the entire time you're driving, it is also recording what's happening behind you. The camera also has pretty good night vision as well. You can see here from the front camera, everything is lit up with our headlights, and then as we switch to the rear camera using only the reverse and the brake lights, you can still make out what's happening. So honestly, this looks good even at night. We are going to get a lot of use out of this. It was easy to install. It's super easy to use. It's very responsive. The camera quality is really, really good. We liked everything about this camera. If you're looking for a great dash camera that includes a rear camera, we recommend this.